Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cezanne. I am a third grade teacher. This is my 4th year and I teach in Georgia. Welcome to my classroom setup. This is day 4, but this is the second video. Today was also our first contract day back at school. So this is actually the afternoon, and now I'm about to start finishing the finishing touches of my classroom. It's not much. The lady, as you can see, all of that stuff is gone. So the parent liaison came and got all of her things out of here, and she had some help. She emptied out 4 cabinets, so I'm able to go ahead and put things in those cabinets and kind of think about what I want to go in certain cabinets. I'm going to try to like clean up this area. I also got a bookshelf today, so I'm going to go ahead and put that bookshelf in my classroom library so I can put my classroom library together, and then clean up and go home, because I can't come in another day with all this stuff all over the place. So I'll probably stay here really late. Tomorrow I have to leave fairly early, like as soon as we let out, so I can go home, and my mom's friend, or a friend of the family rather, he's going to help me bring all of my furniture in to my classroom. So yeah, I'm about to write out a to-do list that I need to do before I leave today, which I have about 3 hours to knock some things out, and then I'll get started. All right, y'all, so as you can see, I pulled back my hair, and I've already completed one thing. I didn't get to show y'all my to-do list because there were people in my room, but I'm gonna flip y'all around so y'all can see. This is my very short to-do list. So I've already done one thing. All right, y'all, so this is my very short to-do list. I need to border the welcome board, put things in my cabinet / organize, put books on my shelf, move my desk in the hallway, my teacher desk, and move my student desk in the hallway as well. So I've already done first thing. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all my board in the hallway, where I put my border on there, so you all can just see what I have so far. Oh, before I do that, just so you all know, our boards have to be the same color as our house system. We're doing a house system this school year, and I think I mentioned this in the last one, but all of our boards have to be the same color as our house colors, and our house colors are red, gold, and black. And so my board is red and black, and I think I'm gonna use gold letters. I don't know yet. I'm gonna go back to, I have to go back to Hobby Lobby because I have to get more of the border, but I'm gonna show y'all my board just so y'all know my board, why my board looks that way. I didn't choose this color, but I made it work for what I wanted to do. Normally I use black because I have so much color going on. It's just easier to do black, but I'm gonna show y'all my board. All right, y'all, so this is my board. If it focuses, there we go. This is my board. Come on. And I used, of course, the burlap. And we have really big boards, so I have to finish that last little piece at the top. But it's red and black, and it looks really good. As you can see, this is the black burlap. All right. My welcome board. Hey y'all, okay, so as you can see, I have thrown my hair up, and it's probably not the best, but it doesn't matter. So I have, as you saw, I cleared, I moved my desk in the hallway, and I just put things in my cabinet. Now I'm going to sit and organize some things. I'm gonna show you, like, I really just need to clean, like, seriously, but I'm gonna turn around and show you. So as you can see, I've kind of pretty much cleared that up. The only reason these things are still here is because these all are going in my art cabinet, which will be over there. And then these things are going in my cleaning cabinet, which are up there because you want to keep them away from the kids. So I have placed all of my supplies in here. And those are my supplies. And then the only thing that's in this cabinet so far are my paper. Last year, I kept all of my extra manipulatives and things in this, like my math cabinet. So this is my math cabinet. And then I kept all of my extra reading materials in this cabinet, which will be my reading cabinet. But let me flip y'all around so y'all can not just be looking at an empty cabinet. So as you can see really quickly, this is my reading cabinet, that's my math cabinet. So I try to keep everything in there. All right, so one thing about it with my last classroom, I know it's like I'm turning around in a circle. I'm trying to get to the chair. So one thing about my last classroom, I inherited a lot of a lot of curriculum and materials and manipulatives. So I don't know how this is going to work because I don't have those anymore. So now I need to think about what's actually going to go in those two cabinets back there. I do want to still keep them separate. So whatever goes in there is going to be reading. Whatever goes over there is going to be math. And then it may just be some extra odds and ends that belong to me. Which is what I'm about to do now. I'm about to empty out these bins because I have clear bins and I don't know. They were the cheaper ones. That's the only reason. But so I'm about to empty those out and go ahead and get that stuff organized. And then I might spend some time in my teacher area and getting that organized as well. All right, y'all. So this is my teacher area. Y'all tell me, like, should I keep this file cabinet here? Or should I move it in that corner over there? Because if I move it in that corner over there, I can push this all the way over into the corner. And then it won't block, because you all remember my calendar was right here. I thought about putting it over here, but if I get a kidney table, which it's likely that I will get one, it will be in the way. So y'all tell me, should I move it or should I keep it there? Hey guys, all right, so I started working like really hard and I completely forgot to pick up the vlog. I have about 30 minutes to an hour to finish up. I'm gonna show y'all kind of what I'm doing so y'all can see. So as y'all can see, like, this looks significantly smaller. I've placed all of my curriculum, like not curriculum but like supplements, on this bookshelf. And I've placed my pictures up. I was about to hang my mirrors, but they almost fell. So I got 2 of those bins cleared out. I know it doesn't look like much, but I did. I found all of my teacher desk stuff. I'll show y'all where I placed them. So I put them down there just so that they're out the way. Normally I would put them up here, but like I said, they are clear and I don't want anyone to see the things that I have. All right, y'all, so I know it's not looking like much, but it's making me feel a whole lot better. To me, it looks like a lot. Because it's just starting to really come together. I'm starting to actually feel like this is my classroom. It actually looks messier than it did before I started. Okay, y'all, so so yesterday I tried to hang these mirrors that I got from Five Below, and I tried to use these hooks. I don't know if these hooks. They were a little shaky, so I did not use them. But as I was cleaning things out of those bins, I found these hooks. These are smaller hooks. So they work perfectly, but I had to hot glue them to the wall in order for them to stay. And I had one up, and then I was like, no, I'm gonna move it over here. Should have just left it because I want it back in that same spot. So I had to hot glue them to the wall. And then I'm gonna put them right there. And then I realized, like, I bought them really so that as I'm sitting like at my desk or something, I can just turn around and check myself real quick. But I was like, my kids can also like come over here and look at themselves in the mirror just to check themselves really quickly as well, because we all need to make sure that we look good throughout the day. All right, so I'm gonna finish cleaning up. Yeah, because I have like 20 minutes. And I really, like, I'm gonna put a reminder on the board for tomorrow about asking about this extra shelf, because like, if y'all can see, this has 4 shelves, and let me flip y'all around. This only has 3. Well, okay, that one has 3 shelves. This one has 2 shelves, which makes it 3 spaces and 4 spaces. So last year my library had 3 shelves, which gave me 4 spaces, which all of these are able to fit. So I think I'm gonna just move these how I want them for now, and then see if I can get another shelf. If not, I'll have to switch this one out for that one, because I really don't need that space down there. It's just kind of for little small things. So yeah. All right, y'all, so I'm about to get back to work because talking to y'all, I'm wasting my time. And I'll check back in with y'all in a bit. Okay. All right, guys, so I just did this whole thing and record was not pressed. Anyway, all right, so I am officially done. I'm gonna go ahead and head out. It's now 6:15, but I'm gonna show you all what I did get accomplished today, because it is a lot. My room is coming together and I'm proud of it. So I'm gonna flip you all around so you all can, I'm gonna take you a tour around the classroom. By the end, there's no need to do a classroom tour because you've seen my classroom. So I'm gonna flip it all around. All right, y'all, so this is my to-do list for tomorrow. Yeah, all right, so I've pretty much gotten this area kind of clean. I've emptied out the bins that I need to empty out. And I just pushed everything up there, but as you can see, I filled this in, put that up there. I'm gonna put my calendar back up here, but I gotta move it up just a tad bit. And then I got my mirrors up, y'all. It's so cute, so cute. All right, the next thing I did, I got those 8 little baskets put up. I've cleaned out all of that. I've arranged my desk in this U shape. I don't know if I'm gonna get my tables like I want. So if I don't get my tables, then I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna leave this for the first day of school, and I'll fix a couple of those desks. Back here, I've organized this closet, and I just put my paper in here so far. Of course, I'm gonna fill all that up. So that's what I have in here so far. And then I put that extra bin down there in this cabinet. This one is pretty much empty for now. Oh, I put a lot of my little writing decor items over here, because this is where my writing / centers will be. I think I'm gonna put my centers up here for my students to grab. All right, and then the last thing I did was I organized this cabinet, put all of my supplies in there. So tomorrow, these 3 cabinets will be empty. So I'm gonna put all of this stuff in these 2 cabinets. My decorative items go down there. So I'm gonna put them down there. And then I'm gonna finish, oh, I need to write that on the to-do list, finish my focus board right there. and then I'll be almost finished. So just to give you a tour really quickly, a spin around what the classroom is looking like. We're getting there, almost done. All right, y'all, so that's it for me today. Now I'm gonna only do this because I don't know if I'm gonna put today and tomorrow together, but if I don't, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for visiting my channel. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell just so you know when I post a video. And comment your favorite writing activity. I need some writing activities for my students when they're doing writing in their center. So comment your favorite writing activity for your students to do independently. All right, see you next time. Bye.